Good morning, esteemed co-chairs of the Appropriations Committee and my esteemed colleagues on the committee. I'm Representative Moira Rader here, and I am here in support of Bill number 55010 concerning funding for school meals. I'm here really, I have something prepared, but I'd rather just talk to you about this. We just came from a press conference on this very issue. It's our second one this session. This is something I've been working on, honestly, since my first day in the legislature last year. And I was really proud and happy to see the collaboration that came together last year to provide universal free breakfasts in all of our schools, and for those families that qualify for reduced meals, free meals. And that has been a tremendous win for our kids and our school districts. I currently still sit on my Board of Ed in Guilford. I'm the vice chair, and I saw the incredible impact that universal meals had on our district during the pandemic. You know, there's sometimes an argument that there are a lot of districts that don't need this funding. And I really like to argue back that there's a whole host of reasons why a child doesn't eat, why that family can't provide that meal that day. We're really dealing with a mental health epidemic in our kids and our schools. I was just at a group yesterday talking about this, a round table of educators, and the number one concern they have is around the mental health of our students. They're seeing an increased need for special ed services. They're seeing an increased issue around absenteeism and school avoidance, bullying, delayed social maturity. And one of the things that they spoke about, though, was the breakfast participation that has gone up in my district over 50%. And what that also means is that kids are coming to school, they're socializing, they're regulating before the day. And I know everyone in this room would love to wave a magic wand and say, yes, we're going to feed every child in this state. We heard from a superintendent today who spoke about the universal design for learning. And this is a philosophy around education that's pretty much adopted by any modern public school system. And in that, the idea is that you provide all of the infrastructure and scaffolding for a student to succeed. We provide books, we provide pencils, we provide licensed teachers, we provide after-school activities, school uniforms, textbooks, Chromebooks, you name it. But we're debating around feeding them. And so I really hope that Connecticut can be one of those states among several others that have already done this and stepped into the world of providing meals for all of our students. My end goal is that we provide it for everyone across the board. But this year the ask is that we maintain what we're doing and not step away from that reduced meal being free for families. There are a lot of families we refer to from United Way as the Alice family. They do not qualify for reduced meals right now. And so they are the ones struggling at the grocery store with increased prices to get enough food home to feed their families, let alone pack a lunch. We have a large issue in Connecticut around school debt, school lunch meal debt. A lot of districts are, unrightfully so, holding back on opportunities for students because they have a large debt. There are some districts that have gotten in trouble for this. My point is that I understand that we have a lot of limitations this session around our budget, but I really hope that the small price tag attached to what we did this year can be sustained for next year and we can actually build upon it.